LOKI! No way. It is the LOKI update. Look. I can see him. Brand new Locus update. I'm going to be showing you every single new working code inside of this update. Be sure to like and subscribe. The first code, Julian LOKI. Boom. Julianos LOKI. Julianos LOKI. Redeem that code right now. Blue lock. Updates. New codes. Must be level 10. I forgot. The next code is Masters. Yo, Masters code. Masters code as well. Redeem the Masters code if you would like to have yourself a extra slot in Blue Lock. Comment down below LOKI. Comment LOKI. Blue LOKI. Where is the blue LOKI code? Blue LOKI rivals. Blue LOKI rivals. That should be in a code. Other than that, we should probably get a like 2.9 million code as well. I'm not really sure, okay? This code will be probably dropping after the update, because right now I just don't see it dropping. How many interested did they even get? I didn't see it. It's gone. 3 million interested for a huge code. Oh. We didn't get 3 million interested. Otherwise, LOKI 3 million. LOKI 3 million. Otherwise, LOKI 3 million, but they didn't get it. Sadly.